Hello parents and students of North White Middle High School. I would like to take a minute to introduce myself as I'm new to the school corporation. My name is Carrie Hoenert and I am the agricultural teacher and FFA advisor. I'm a 2019 graduate of Purdue University and this is my second year of teaching agriculture. I myself was a 4-year FFA member in high school and a 10-year 4-H member. In my short time as an educator, I have coached multiple national and state level FFA contests. I'm excited to share my passion and knowledge for agricultural and FFA with the students of North White Middle High School. As the agricultural instructor, I will be teaching 7th grade agricultural basic skills, 8th grade intro to agriculture, agribusiness management, animal science, food science, and ag power structure and technology. I would like to outline a few expectations for this upcoming school year. I understand that there are many unknowns in this upcoming school year, and I want to make our in-class time as valuable and efficient as possible. For this to happen, I request that all students come to class fully prepared each day. This means that I expect them to bring their Chromebooks to class every day and to have their Chromebook chargers with them. I also request that they come to class with a writing utensil, their proper materials, and their homework completed. Another expectation for all of my students is respect. I ask that the students respect their classmates, me as their teacher, their classroom resources, and any substitute or aide that is in my classroom. Students will receive a full list of my classroom expectations in the first week of school. I want to share with you a few details about the National FFA organization and our local chapter. It is a common misconception that you have to come from a farming or agricultural background to be involved in FFA. However, this is not the case at all. FFA welcomes all students from many different backgrounds, whether you are involved in agriculture or not. FFA provides students with the opportunity to break out of their comfort zone and explore new experiences. Through FFA, students can gain leadership skills, public speaking skills, employability skills, and further their knowledge of the agricultural industry. Students may also be involved in judging activities such as livestock skill-a-thon, crops and forestry, soils judging, parliamentary procedure, and many more. The National FFA organization provides students with the opportunity to network with educators and students from around the world through state and national convention. Please understand that contests and events may look different this year due to health regulations. The National FFA organization and myself are looking for ways in which the students can be involved without putting their health at risk. FFA provides students with so much more than classroom educational opportunities. It provides them with life skills. If you are interested in being an FFA, you must be enrolled in an agricultural class for this upcoming school year. If you have any questions about our local chapter or the organization as a whole, please reach out to me. I would like to take a quick second to show you my classroom. As you can see, all tables and chairs are spaced appropriately so that way we can ensure social distancing among students. My number one priority for this year is the education and health of the students. I look forward to this upcoming school year and the opportunities and experiences that it will bring.